Ever had your Roborock S8 Pro Ultra suddenly refuse to clean, making odd noises, or just stopping in its tracks? You're not alone. Many owners are encountering a frustrating robot vacuum fan error. This isn't just a minor glitch. A fan error on your Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is often a sign of a more serious issue, a faulty fan. And here's the kicker. We frequently find this problem accompanied by hidden water damage, necessitating a deep cleaning service. It happens when water or debris seeps into the fan mechanism, causing it to malfunction. But don't despair. You've come to the right place because at RoboCare, we're not just repair specialists, we're Roborock enthusiasts, just like you. Our expert technicians have years of hands-on experience specifically with the Roborock line, and they know the S8 Pro Ultra inside and out. We understand the intricate details of its fan assembly and the sensitive components often affected by hidden water damage. We use advanced diagnostic equipment to pinpoint the exact cause of your faulty fan. We don't just patch things up. We meticulously inspect your vacuum's internal systems, confirm the fan's integrity, and address any evidence of water damage with a thorough deep cleaning service. We then replace faulty parts with genuine components to ensure your Roborock S8 Pro Ultra operates as good as new. Now, let's see the incredible results we achieve for satisfied customers every day. And just like that, this Roborock S8 Pro Ultra is revitalized. The fan whirs powerfully, the cleaning is thorough, and those flaws? Flawless. We've meticulously repaired the faulty fan and expertly removed all traces of water damage with our deep cleaning service. Hear what our customers have to say about their RoboCare experience.
I seriously can't recommend RoboCare enough. If you're a Roborock S8 Pro Ultra owner, or really any robot vacuum owner, and you're dealing with a frustrating problem, don't try to fix it yourself and risk making it worse. Just contact RoboCare. They're experts in robot vacuum repair, they're trustworthy, and they deliver incredible results.
For any robot vacuum problem, big or small, trust the experts at RoboCare. Visit our website or call us today to book your repair.